Here we have a Sears alarm clock from probably the 80s or 70s. It's wood grain, simulated wood for that matter. It's a model 7196, made in Hong Kong for Sears Roebuck and Company, Chicago, Illinois. It's got a speaker brightness thing, makes it dimmer or brighter. It's got these touch sensor things. So yeah, let me set the alarm real quick. Yeah, it needs the contacts cleaned out still. This button is pushed in, so I can't use it. See if I can get it to go off. No, I really overshot that, didn't I? Okay, it was like 32 or something. Figured the alarm would have went off. I don't know. Weird. Well, anyway, it is a tradition, whatever that means. I probably need to clean it up, but as far as I can tell, it works. I just gotta figure out the alarm, so hold on. I'm gonna see if I can get this to work. It even keeps overshooting it. See? I barely pressed that button. I don't know. I think the alarm is broken. Oh well, it'll make a nice shelf piece, I guess. Still cool. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Like I said, it has these touch sensors. Anyway, enough of that. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.